Oops. Hi guys, this is Liz living out of the norm. If you're new to our channel, we are trying to build off-grid homestay in Arizona desert and trying to build a house with this compressed earth block. We purchased a machine about 4 years ago and we are still trying to figure out the perfect soil mix. We are supposed to mix with sand, silt, clay, and cement. And we are trying to use our native soil here. And you can see all these failed blocks. But seems like we are going somewhere, finally. But today, what I'm trying to do is with this particular block that we made about 1 year ago. This was a little bit too wet of a block, but this one is pretty solid. Like it's not flaking off anything like that. So I learned about simple drop test to see how strong this is. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. Stay tuned. I'm not sure what kind of result we're gonna get, but I'm gonna try to drop this block from about this high. This is about 4 foot. So hopefully we get a good result. Guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops. I broke block in the cinder block. That was not what I expected. Well, my test or experiment failed. I'm not sure what was wrong. Possibly the cinder block was weak. I don't know what that means, but I shattered my earth block. So I don't know what to do next. Maybe I can try it again. But the thing is, may not be the hard surface because on this side completely got broken off. So this may not be hard enough surface. You might break it again if I use another block. I just told Eric that what happened with my experiment, and this is his thought.
The first thing I thought when we started talking about drop testing the blocks that we're making is that I'm pretty sure that a concrete block will shatter too. And sure enough, when Naomi did it, they both shattered. I told you so. No, I didn't tell you so, but
I wish you told me beforehand.
it's okay. Rico's barking at us. He's looking at me through the window.
So this was just a short entertainment purposes experiment video. I hope you enjoyed it. I was hoping to see undestructible block, but this block was made with only our soil, which is very poor in clay, so that result was kind of expected. We need to do the same test once our 10% clay, 10% cement, 80% native soil block is perfected and cured. We hope our video inspires some people trying to do something new nobody hasn't done. Follow our journey for more updates. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.